Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can integrate your Klaviyo account with Postscript. Let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and scroll down until you see Integrations. Click on it. Next, click on Add Integration at the top right. In the search bar on the left, type Postscript, and when you find it, click on it. Now, hit Install and wait a moment while it sets up. You'll be prompted to log in either via your Shopify store or with your email. Choose whichever works best for you. I'll log in through Shopify. When you connect your Shopify store, you'll see a prompt asking you to allow access or continue. Make sure to approve this to let Postscript access your store data. This step is important because it lets Klaviyo and Postscript sync customer info and messaging. After you approve, you'll be redirected to the Postscript dashboard. Confirming your integration is complete. That's it. You've successfully connected Klaviyo with Postscript and you're ready to start using both platforms together.